Here's a pair of the Bose Ultra Open earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Windows PC, computer, or laptop via Bluetooth. So the first thing is go to your Bluetooth settings on your Windows computer. You can go down to the search bar down here and just type in Bluetooth. Bluetooth and other devices settings right there. Let's select that. From here, just make sure you have tap on Bluetooth and other devices. And then from here, make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. And then we want to tap up here on this plus sign where it says add Bluetooth or other device. Let's select that. From here, we're going to select this first one where it says Bluetooth right there. Now you see this line going across here. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, and it should show up down here. Okay, now there's a bunch of stuff that's all around me because I'm currently in apartments. But now we got to put this in pairing mode. Okay, so the buds are in the case. Let me open this up. We'll know that these are in pairing mode if both of these lights are blinking blue, blue, blue very slowly. But I'm getting a solid white light here. So for me, let me manually put these into pairing mode. There's a button here on the back. I'm just going to press and hold for 2 seconds. Ready? Press and hold. Right there, it turns blue. There we go. Now it's in pairing mode. It's blinking blue very slowly. And now we just have to wait for it to find it. It's still searching. That line is still moving. There you go. Open buds, Bose right there. Open audio right there. Tap that. It's connecting. We're connected. We are ready to go. And now you can see it right there under audio. It says connected right there. And I got 100% battery juice on here. Now, if you had any kind of issues, connecting problems, or you couldn't put it into pairing mode, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below for that link in the description area.